Hello guys, I will give you a quick introduction on how to use Mac SleekGrip-Air. So this is how you open the product. You can pull this part and you can open it very easily, and once you open you will see a little tab here. You can pull. Again, you can easily get the product out, and underneath you will find the quick start guide. And if you scan the QR code, you will get more information on the product. Okay, let's set this aside. So this is the product. And please don't forget to remove the film at the back. It's a protective film. If you don't remove this, it will affect the magnetic strength. So, okay, and it's very easy. You just have your MagSafe equipped phone or phone case, and then just snap on. Okay, so I will show you how to open this. So you just push down on the top part of this centerpiece. That's it. It's that easy. And then you can see a little indicator. This is where you push down to close it. That's it. This is how you open and close the product. You can do it even with one hand. Very easy. So this is the only way you should open and close the product. Please don't pull like this to open the product, because if you do this, you won't be able to open the product and you will damage the metal strip inside. And again, don't press down here to close. It won't close this way. It will also likely to damage the metal strip underneath. So just something to remember. Okay, and then once you open, you will find this our patented loop strip underneath. It's a very flexible piece of metal which you can use as a grip. Okay, and I recommend that don't put all your finger in, because it just not as easy to use like this. I always just put it halfway, or as much as you want really, but I put it halfway so I can have a lot of movement on my thumb to control the screen, and I find it the perfect way to use this grip. Okay, and also depending on your finger size, like some people like to if they have small hand, they might want to put all 3 fingers in, and some people maybe just one. It's totally up to you. This special thing about SleekGrip is that it's very accommodating to different hand sizes, finger sizes. So yeah, you can find your best way to use it. Okay, and so when you try to remove the product from the phone, again, please remember, don't pull like this. It will just likely to damage the strip inside. It's very easy. You just push it sideways like this, and you can take it apart. Okay, enjoy your Mac SleekGrip-Air. Thank you.